Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Figma and ensuring your work is saved to the cloud. This prevents conflicts. Next, make sure your operating system is updated and you have at least 1 GB free. This speeds installation. Grant admin rights or have credentials ready because the updater needs permission to replace app files. Once these prerequisites are met, open the Figma app or the installer. You're ready for the first update step, which will check versions and download the update package. You'll run the built-in updater from Figma's Help menu or launch the installer you downloaded. This starts version checks and file downloads. Monitor the progress bar and % complete. The updater verifies packages before installation, so be patient while it validates signatures. Make sure you minimize other CPU-heavy apps to avoid slowdowns. If the auto-update stalls, quit Figma completely and rerun the installer with admin privileges. That often forces a clean replace of app binaries. Once installation finishes, restart Figma and sign back in. Check the new version number under Help about Figma so you know the update applied. If a plugin misbehaves, update or reinstall it from the plugin manager. Plugin mismatches are a common post-update issue. If you still see crashes or errors, clear the app cache or perform a full reinstall. Keep backups of unsynced files before wiping. One key tip: if something goes wrong, try reinstalling with admin rights and then restart the machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.